Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that giving is better than receiving. Okay, very important topic. So, whenever there's a show called Oprah, right? She's always giving away stuff, and everybody's like, "Oh, I wish I could be the person that receives the car." I'm like, "Oh, no, 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 no! I'd rather be Oprah giving the car." The reason why is because nobody gives their last dollar. So if she's giving away 10 or 20 cars in a week, she probably has more than 10 or 20 cars, right? And that's just a great thing. So if you're able to give and to help somebody out, generally it comes back to you tenfold, right? Either twofold, tenfold, whatever the amount might be. But you always are able to get a return whenever you start giving. So the more stuff that you give, the more stuff that you receive, and the faster you start to reach your goals. So if you want to, reach your goals faster and actually get the life that I believe you deserve, go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.